Good luck. We're all counting on you.
Right side, forward two. Right side, two more. Forward two.
And when you paddle, don't like, you gotta dig in. You gotta dig in. Woo!
We're going the wrong way.
Hey, our boat's got a leak.
Forward two.
One. Oh, that was cold. Right on my nuts.
Yep, we're in for it.
Woo! Hey!
Alright, here we go. Now do it.
Woo!
Big monster.
Oh! Yes! 1, 2. Take a break.
Yeah, counting might be a good idea. Forward one.
1.
I know him. Take a picture. And forward.
Forward. 2. Take a break. Forward. Forward. Stroke.
There's supposed to be a boat here. We are now that boat. Oh, okay. At least for a minute.
Woo!
Nice while it lasted. Let's back paddle, back paddle.
Back paddle. 2. Stroke.
Take a break, take a break. Yeah. Kind of confusing when I try to pull over like that.
Nah.
Hard to understand why. But we wish you stayed there. Okay.
Whoop. Hey, yeah. After standing out, being on that bus.
This is about to be great.
Oh, hell. Here we go. Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Man, that feels nice.
It's muddier than I remember.
Yeah.
Talked about the sediment in the water.
Yeah.
I haven't seen good clear water in a while.
Is
It's
it-
like this. It's been discolored a lot.
Is it because of?
But it's still a normal level.
It is normal level.
Yeah.
That's odd.
Okay. Forward two.
1, 2.
This is the first place we stopped and regroup our boats. We had a 12-boat trip. That's the maximum size.
Woo!
These guys are all just waiting. Okay. We don't wait on one another. We can't stay together.
Oh! That guy's just chilling in the chilling in the wash.
Forward two.
1, 2. We're swamping the boat. Oh, we're definitely swamping the boat.
Oh, I need to hold on to this team. That's what I need to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. My two front guys. We're gonna get you, buddy. Okay. Forward two.
2.
Forward one.
Forward 1.
Forward two.
1, 2. Woo! Bumpy.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, you just, if you know where the chutes are, you just guide the boat into the chute.
Yeah, exactly. Let the river do it for you.
Right?
Oh boy.
Yep, big drop. Kind of a big drop.
Whoa.
Big splash. These little kids are just like, eh.
Yeah, right. Okay, let's go forward too. It's real shallow at the last drop, and they used to break the tips of their boats off here back in the old kayak days. Back one. Back in the old days, those kayaks were really long too.
Yeah.
Back one. Big boy coming. Here we go, baby.
Yep. Hey!
Head forward.
Go,
Go, go, go,
go, go,
go,
go.
go, 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 go.
Stroke! 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 Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! We lost her.
Hold on to that.
Ah! You lost your paddle?
It's okay.
Wait, it's right there.
I see it.
I see it.
I think it's there. Don't paddle.
Okay.
Her paddle is.
Yeah, we got a loose paddle there. Okay, get ready. Ready.
It's up to you. Yeah, it's right.
Back paddle, back paddle.
Oh shit. Woo! Oh,
Get down.
get down in the boat. Oh my god, that's cold. I think we're stuck. I got you.
I'm alright. I'm alright.
I'm trying to push off and I can't get any leverage.
I don't know if we're supposed to.
Oh. I think he's trying to get us out of it.
Yeah, that would make sense to me.
Come on, you're in deep grip. Oh God! Oh! Shit! I think I'm filming my death here. I can't get any leverage from this side. Whoa!
We're in the splash zone.
Dude, we are fucking stuck.
Back paddle forward.
I can't paddle anymore. I'm too low. I'm loose. Stroke! 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 Stroke!
Now I see why that other group was stuck.
Yeah. Yeah, we need another boat to come down here. Oh, we're getting away. Keep stroking.
Keep stroking.
Keep stroking. Shoo! Woo, here's a big one.
As long as we're moving,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Everybody got water poured in at least 4 or 5 minutes.
Glad we got a paddle back. That was great.
Great.
Well, we were stuck there for like, what, 10 minutes?
Oh, probably 3.
Yeah, it felt like a lifetime.
Yeah.
Oh shit, here we go again. Oh!
I can't believe all of us made it.
I thought we were gone.
I was about to jump out because I was like laying back.
You know, at one point I was like, this is how I die. That guy was a freaking hero. He was like getting totally, he went like under the raft. I was like, that guy's dead.
Yeah.
I
Yep. Oh boy. Whoa. Onward. Fast. 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 Keep paddling. Ah. Take a break. Woo.
Forward, left side go.
Left side.
I like this. Everybody forward. Go, go, go. Keep going. Take a break. No, take a break, take a break.
Whew.
Let's go back one. Everybody forward. Go, go, go. Keep going. Right, take time, back paddle. Break. Everybody forward, go. Go.
Ride the lightning. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
Paddle forward. Nice.
yeah, we talked about rock stuff.
Yeah, we did. Like
I'm glad we
around it.
Yeah, we didn't want to hit another rock.
Either side, but the side we win's a little more challenging. Yeah, it is.
We handle getting stuck. We could.
Right? Yay! Need my frozen foot? At least it doesn't hurt when it's jammed up in there because it's fucking dead. Woo!
Yeah.
Speedy Gonzalez.
That was easy.
Uh-oh. Sideways. No! Shit!
Right. I popped up on that.
Yeah. Hey, we didn't give permission to pass.
What's that?
That's a perfectly healthy starfish. Whoa! Hippity hop. Should have warned you that was going to happen.
And back paddle.
There's those brakes again. Just not your thing, huh?
I've seen all kinds of things happen because you didn't.
I bet. most daring do it.
We like the mermaid on the front of our ship.
Yeah.
Okay. Forward 2.
Just remember, your life is in our hands if we don't shoot the rapid right. If we don't row correctly. Yeah, it's on. It's on. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Tree. Ahoy.
Oh. Okay. Forward 2.
Woo!
Like the deal.
There she goes. Forward, forward, forward. Paddle. Back paddle, back paddle. Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle. There you go. Yeah. Back paddle, back paddle.
Back up there.
Back paddle. Woo! Hey!
Heck yeah, go for it.
Nice job getting back in.
That was sweet.
Woo!
Amen.
What's that last one? Yeah, there's like lean forward and there's no.
Nothing.
Like,
Nothing.
Go back up on.
Yeah, I saw you slipping our reach, but did not work.
Oh,
That was awesome. Nice work.
good job.
Professional bull.
Good job getting her back in the boat too.
Okay, let's carry our boat inside this other boat. In the front of us here. Wow, swimmer! Yay, he finally got in! Finally got in! Thank you. Guys, thank you very much. So sorry about the surf, man.
I appreciate it. That was fun.